In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue with Steam where the game that you load, it gets stuck at preparing to launch. The first thing you could do is you could go ahead and open Steam, and then on the library, go home, and then you're going to see all the games that you have installed. So let's say if this game is not launching, you could right click the game, click properties, click local files, and then you could click on verify integrity of game files. This will validate the installation, go through a process like you see here, and verify that the game files are not corrupted. Once it's finished, you're gonna get a message that the game was successfully validated. You could close, and then you could close Steam and then reopen Steam. If that did not fix the problem, then other users have reported that fixing or updating your graphics card driver will fix the problem. The best way to do that is to actually uninstall everything that you have installed for your graphics card drivers, and we use an application called Display Driver Uninstaller. Once you download the application, you're gonna get a executable file that you could open. Like you see here, it's Display Driver Uninstaller. This will basically fetch your computer and basically wipe your computer from all the drivers for your display adapter. Sometimes your drivers may cause the problem. So what you do is you open the application, and then you could leave this settings default unless you want to check something else that you want to remove. It's going to give you a warning that you're not in safe mode, but we are fine in the regular mode. So if you select your GPU, it's going to detect it for you automatically. If not, you have to select which GPU you have. And then in here, you will basically do a clean and restart. This will basically remove all your drivers and restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, Windows will install the display basic adapter drivers that Microsoft uses. Then you will need to go over to your browser and download the Geforce Experience app if you have a Geforce card. And then once you download the Geforce app, you could go to drivers and then download the latest driver for your graphics card. Or if you got AMD, you could just type in AMD download, click on the first link, and then you could download the AMD Radeon Software to install the drivers again for your card. And the reason why we clean everything out is in case you have a corrupt driver, you don't want it to linger around and affect your computer. So once you've done that, you could go back to Steam and see if the game could load. If the game cannot load even after you did that, other people have said that you could go to Windows Updates and then see if your computer has any Windows updates for you to install. If you do, then I would recommend you installing them. Lastly, what you could do if everything that you did now did not work, you could go back to your home library, and then you would have to basically uninstall the game. And then once you uninstall the game, you will need to install it again and see if that fixed the problem. If after doing all of that still doesn't fix the problem, then you will need to probably contact Steam or email Steam about the situation, or possibly upgrade your graphics card. Alright, well, thank you for watching. This is how you fix the issue with Steam not loading the games. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.